Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to view weekly and monthly spending reports on Cleo. Now, Cleo generates visual reports that summarize how you've been spending. It's broken down by time period and category. So here's how to access spending reports. What you got to do is to first open the Cleo app, and then you're going to tap the Insights or Spending tab. Once you have that opened up, you're going to select either weekly reports, of course that's for the past 7 days, or monthly report, which of course is 30 days. Now, what the report shows you is one, the total amount spent. It also shows top spending categories. Likewise, it shows trends compared to previous weeks or months. And there's also a graph that shows daily or weekly spending spikes. And suggestions from Cleo, like, you spent less on takeouts this week, nice, and all that. You get those kind of suggestions from Cleo. Now, a couple of chat shortcuts to access this is you could have shortcuts like, give me my weekly reports, or hey, how much did I spend last month, or you could say, show me my top expenses this week. Now, you can use this data to adjust your budget, or you could just set new savings goals based, of course, on your real financial behavior. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.